And we're back to learning Photoshop, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this vintage orange look. We're going to create a preset together, so you only have to do it once and then save it. Let me press Ctrl J to copy the original, right click on it, turn it into a smart object, go to filter and we'll open the camera raw filter. Let me reposition that. I've already created this preset and you will find it right here once you've done so yourself. So under the user presets, I've called it vintage orange. Let us go back to the starting position, right here, edit, and we will go down first to calibration. Leave the shadows unaffected, but for red primary, go to the max, and then for the saturation to -50. For the green, once again, go to the max and leave the saturation unaffected. And for the blue primary, we will go down to minus, let's say 70, 75. Something like this should be fine. Now we need the color mixer. So not the color grading, my mistake. One above, the color mixer. And we need to set all colors to -75, except for the first two. So leave the reds and oranges unaffected and type in -75, press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to select all and copy, and then you can paste it in each with Ctrl V. Now we'll go back to the basic, and here we'll only need to adjust the contrast, crank it a little bit up to maybe around 50, and then go down with the blacks slightly to add around -25. And that's it. So we've adjusted the calibration, the color mixer, and right here the basic. Now we want to save it. Click on these three dots and there you can save it. By clicking on Save Settings, make sure that the boxes are checked. Click on Save and now you can select the folder. I've already done so and I've called it Vintage Orange. Click on Save afterwards. I don't have to, so I click on Cancel, and as I've said, you will find this preset now right here under User Presets. Click on OK to apply it to the image, and we've got a new layer now. And if I make that invisible, you can see the difference. I like to go down with it with the opacity to 0 and then get it slightly up until I've got the effect that I need for the specific image. Around 60% is fine for this example. And for future photos, you can now use the preset and then play around with the opacity and maybe go a little bit higher or lower. And this can create this vintage orange effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.